Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is...
Ayan guys, mag-ano tayo ng manok. Ayan, yung manok guys. So, ating pa-brown ang yan. So, ipa-brown sa muna natin guys. So, ayan, ipa-brown na to guys. So, tingnan natin kung yung brown. Oh, yung brown na guys. So, ibaliktad natin. Ayan, ang so, buhos na natin yung ano guys. May 7-up. At ilagay yung i-marinate na sauce. At maglagay tayo ng 7-up. Ayan. So, hayaan na lang natin hanggang maglambot yung manok. Maglagay tayo ng dahon ng laurel. Ayan. Black pepper. So, i-keep natin guys until mag-small yung water. Ayan guys. Ano na guys yung manok natin. Konting ano pa guys, paubaso na to guys. Yan, super lambot. Wow! Yummy, yummy. So, anuin pa natin yung guys, palambutin pa natin. Ayan. Malapit na mahubas guys. Guys, done na guys. So, iserve na natin yung wow, ang lambot guys. Yan. Butterfly chicken with sauce. Yan. Oyster with oyster. Yan ang lambot guys. Yan. Gusto niyo ganito lang guys. Easy lang. Yan. With my oyster and 7-up. See? Ang lambot guys. Oh my gulay. Oh, wow.